To survive. You need food to survive.
So, how do you have food or water if you don't have money to buy? Where will you get it?
Make some for yourself.
And how? Where? Huwag mo kami
You find the job.
mga video makikita ang aming skills.
Advertise.
Advertise.
Yes, guys.
Because she's a marketing major.
Jollibee, guys.
Bachelor in Science.
Sponsored ng Jollibee.
By Atome.
She is weakling.
What's
Weakling.
weakling? No, I'm not weak. I'm strong. Diba?
Then you can lift 5 kg.
Yes, more than 5 kg. I can lift you. How kilo are you? Ayoko na. Binibidyo mo pa ako, masabihan ng bobo dyan.
Sagot, rebat.
It's not live, you know? Taste your own goodness.